Thank you so much for this award. The work that I've been able to do with the Legal Services of Greater Miami has been so rewarding. Pro bono work is one of, if not the best parts of being a practicing attorney. You know, you really get to step out of your comfort zone and help people in our community in their greatest time of need, in situations that they really either have no control over or don't know how to help themselves. And it's just so nice to be able to give back to people in our community. And especially with this case in particular, in this series of appeals, I want to thank Jamie and Sean from the Legal Services of Greater Miami. I also want to thank my boss and mentor, Kimberly Boldt, for giving me the push and encouraging me to do pro bono work, and for answering all of my late night calls about different arguments and areas of law that either I wasn't familiar with or I was just learning, and trying to figure that out. And I'm just so thankful for everyone involved, and I'm looking forward to doing more pro bono work in the future with the Legal Services of Greater Miami. Thank you.
Congratulations, Ryan. Your client, Mr. Dalton, would like to share how having legal advocates like you helped him overcome an extreme, non-favorable living situation.
My name is Johan Dalton, and I live here in Miami. Well, I was referred to Legal Services of Greater Miami during COVID. One of my neighbors gave me the number because I was facing eviction. During COVID, I told my landlord that, lost my job due to COVID, and I wouldn't be able to pay rent until unemployment came. Almost immediately, started with harassing texts, and then I was getting the notifications that may or may not have been actual legal documents on my door, which really freaked me out. I just really had enough. My mother had been here, who's disabled while the electricity's been turned off. And then finally, he actually did change my locks and re-rent my apartment to another gentleman with a lot of my belongings in there. I was really scared, and I didn't know how to battle these things. And so that's why I called Legal Services of Greater Miami. From Sean Rowley to Denise Gardy, and then Ryan Tyler, to me, they've all been giving their time free. They've all been giving their time pro bono. I have not the money to pay for these things. And, they've been super attentive, calling me back, emailing me, texting me, keeping me updated, just keeping my sanity, at least to know that these guys have my back in the legal sense, they've just, honestly, I can't thank them enough. I get goosebumps and it makes me stutter. I would have been lost. Easily would have got buried in the legal processes that have just been going on. But, the fact that I would be homeless, I would be bullied if I didn't have the legal team from Legal Services of Greater Miami that I do, it's astounding. And again, I get goosebumps just even thinking about these guys and how much I do appreciate them coming to my rescue.